drive them. Good morning. Happy 4th of July. So right now my parents are on their way back to Missouri and me and Hannah are still in the hotel room. We're staying a whole another 10 days and my brother's on his way to come pick us up. I don't really know what we're doing today. We want to make cookies, but we also might go to the gym apparently. We're trying to decide if you can make cookies with brown sugar. I say you can because it's just sugar that's brown, right? Pretty sure it's like 4 o'clock and we're just now getting Jordan out of the house to do something. So I hope we do something cool. Well, Jordan walked out to the car and then decided that he no longer wanted to go anywhere. I don't even know what he thought, but we're not going anywhere apparently. Happy 4th of July, everyone. We're having a great time. How's your 4th of July, Jordan?
So good.
All you've done is sit on your computer. Out of the house and clearly I was bored, so I went penny boarding, but people are outside of the house now, so I came back. Wasn't even trying. It was a safe fake. How am I supposed to get that down? I'm a failure. I can't fall a failure. So what are we doing? We are gonna get some pizza and then go to Rocky. What is it called again?
Road.
Rocky Road. No, somewhere in the mountains. Into the mountain. Check out my Instagram at Cindy McGee. I took like the sickest pic with pizza and a mountain. And now we're gonna do like fireworks or something. there to watch them, but there are literally fireworks like
Man, I should have just
back,
dropped a couple
front,
windows.
left, right, everywhere. There's like fireworks going off every 2 seconds, and it's so cool. You can like see them in the city. You like can't see them on my camera. I'm so sad. July. Now we're gonna get some Taco Bell, but my camera's about to die. This is my second battery too.